This is Horizon Pacific at the Pacifico Diria Condo, unit number 304, located in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. This unit has 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and sleeps 4. As you walk into the unit, you'll see your kitchen. The refrigerator, microwave, toaster, coffee maker, stove, and an oven. Fully stocked with appliances. As you move past the kitchen, you'll see your dining room. Seating for 5. Great beach decor throughout the unit. As you come into the living room, you'll have your sofa with your TV and DVD player. Also located in this unit is a large balcony overlooking the pool and ocean. You can see the pool and the lush gardens. Out here you have your seating. And enjoy the afternoon. So we head back into the living room. We'll head on to our first bedroom. This unit is located in the center of town, approximately a 2-minute walk to the beach, stores, and shopping area. As we walk through the hallway, we'll reach our first full bathroom. Beautiful tiling throughout. Your shower. And restroom. Next to the bathroom, we'll have our first bedroom. Here we have 2 twin beds. Ideal for children. There's your closet space. As we walk back through the hallway, we'll head to our master bedroom. In our master bedroom, we'll also have access to the balcony. There's also ocean views. In this room, you'll also have your own television, plenty of space for your clothing, as well as a large closet. So we walk into the master bath. We'll have our shower, again beautiful tiling, your vanity and sink, and there's also a bathtub located in this unit, very large, and your restroom. Again, we're located at the Pacifico Condominium, unit number 304, in the Diria Condos, managed by Horizon Pacific. This unit has 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and sleeps 4 people.